Welcome to my CS50 Web Development final project. My website is called Bookoo, a word from the Malay word with the same pronunciation that means book. Bookoo is a book tracker that helps you manage and track your books. Here we have the search page, bookshelves, that includes books that you've read, to be read, and current read. And last, we have the book club page where you can join book clubs or even create one yourself. Now let's search for books. This search function uses the openlibrary API to retrieve book information from their vast database. You can add books to your read, to be read, or current read bookshelves. In your bookshelves, you can view more details of your book, such as their covers, descriptions, and the number of pages. You can even add your personal notes or favorite quotes from the book and save it. You can even remove books from your bookshelves. Now let's check out the book club section. Here you can decide to create your own book club or join existing book clubs created by other users. Here is the example of a book club created by other users. In order for you to join the discussion forum, you must first join the book club and be a member. You can now participate in the discussion forum and talk with other users about your favorite books. If you are already a member of a book club, you cannot create your own book club. You must not be a member to any book clubs in order to create your own. You can leave a book club if you want. Now that you are not a member to any book clubs, you can create one your own. Just fill all these forms and you are good to become a book club owner. You just created your own book club. Now you can discuss with your members about your read. You can only access the discussions for your book club and will not be able to see other book clubs' discussion. That's all for my CS50W final project. Hope you enjoy my Bookoo website. Thank you for watching.